Good morning, listeners and viewers all over the world. Now we have this jam past question to solve that says simplify cube root of 8 raised to power 2. Solution. When you have a question like this, the first thing to do is you need to understand the law. What does in the laws of indices says about this? The laws of indices state that when you have a raised to power b over c equals to c root of a raised to power b. Are we together? So the same thing now applicable to our question. So we now have question to the cube root of 8 square. That's the question. So the first thing you are going to do now is to interpret it. You have 8 square. So it will now be cube root of 8 times 8. That's the first thing to do. You have interpreted the question. Having done that, the next thing you are going to do now is, when you have 8 now, it means you think of the number that you are going to raise to power of 3 that will give you 8. And also the same thing will be applicable to second 8. So it will now be equals to cube root of 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 3. It will give you 8. So equals to cube root of 2 times 2 times 2. Are we together? Times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's the number now. So it will now give us what? You have here we said think of the number that you raise to power of 3 that will give you 8. So 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8. So this cube root now, it will now give us 2. We pick 2 here and 2 here equals to 2 times 2, 4. So that's how to solve it. Dear listeners, always encourage your children to follow our page so that we make all these mathematics questions to be more easy for them. When they see it like this now, when they see it in the exam question, it will look at something that is difficult. But now having simplified it, they will know that it's not hard. It's very simple. So that's how to do it. Bye.